We are reviewing the iPhone 13 Pro Max, the phone that made me switch from Android to Apple. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is the iPhone 13 Pro Max review video. I have been using this phone for the last 2 weeks, and the video you are watching right now is also shot on the iPhone 13 Pro Max itself. The audio and the video is directly from the iPhone 13 Pro Max. No external inputs, it's all from the phone itself. In this video, I'm going to be telling you everything you need to know about this phone, and you can decide if it's worth the money or not by the end of this video. Spoiler alert, I love this phone. There are, however, a few things I wish the phone had, like USB Type-C port, which almost all phones have right now except apparently the iPhone. An always on display or an ambient display would have been amazing, but the iPhone still doesn't have it. Another thing I wish it had is a fingerprint scanner along with the Face ID, either an in-display fingerprint or like the ones on the iPads where you can scan your fingerprint on the power button. The iPad Pros have it, the Air has it, and even the Mini has it now, but apparently not the iPhone yet. So I wish these things come to the next iPhones at least. Those would be great additions. Nevertheless, this phone is still an amazing upgrade, and I am glad I made the switch. And I'll tell you just why in a few seconds. If you haven't already seen me unbox this phone, you should definitely watch that. I will have it linked right here so you can click on it and view it. Also, there may be a giveaway in this video, so stay tuned to find out what you can win and how you can win it through this video. All that being said, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the like button if you like this video. Let's get into this video. Come on! The iPhone 13 Pro Max has a lot of great things. Let's start with the display. It has a super bright display that goes up to 1000 nits, which means you can see it outside even in bright sunlight. I am a pilot and a flight instructor, which means I am in the cockpit a lot, flying during the day and teaching a student. If I need to pull out my phone and view something during this time, it is going to be extremely hard if my display isn't bright enough. So this phone never fails me there. It is also very color accurate, and you will see its brilliance very quickly. The notch is smaller. You will instantly notice that, but other than that, does it make your life better? No. The iPhone has had one of the best cameras for making videos on a phone for a while now, and these cameras just got an upgrade this year. You now have cinematic mode, ProRes video, which is not on the phones yet, which will be there in the future, but something to look forward to. It also has macro photography and macro videography. Something that surprised me is the cinematic mode. When I was watching the Apple event, the cinematic mode looked good, but it looked like it needed a lot of improvements. But when I used it, I was pleasantly surprised. And the best part is, even the front camera has cinematic mode. Even though you cannot shoot 4K videos in cinematic mode yet, it is still pretty darn good. Does it need a few updates? Yes. Will it get better over time? Of course. It still wrongly focuses on the wrong object sometimes, and you might be able to nitpick on details where the edges are weirdly blurred out sometimes, but other than that, it is very, very good. These can be improved in a little while, but I am very happy with what we have right now. I'm trying out the cinematic mode and using my dog as my model here as the second person. Let's see if it works on dogs. I guess it does. The cinematic mode definitely outperformed my expectations, and the small errors with focusing on the wrong object can be corrected in post, so I have no complaints with this. And most times it does a really good job at keeping me as the object and blurring my background and not having weird edges, so it surpassed my expectations. The Apple Watch Series 7 is coming out next week. I'm going to be getting that too and unboxing it and reviewing it on this channel. If you're interested in watching that video, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can stay tuned for whenever that comes out. With the better big battery comes the weight of the iPhone. After a little while of holding the phone in your hand, you'll start noticing a little bit of pain in your wrist and fatigue in your hand because of all the weight. So this is definitely something to keep in mind before buying this phone. It is on the heavier side and you will notice it. Since we've paid so much money for our phones, we also need to protect them. And I have a couple cases that I want to show you guys that were sent over, which I have grown to love. This video is not sponsored. I am not being paid to say any of this. These were just sent to me to try out, and here's what I think of it. ESR sent me a bunch of cases, and they also sent me two for the iPhone 13 Pro by mistake. So these don't fit my phone. It is super soft. I wish I could let you feel it through the camera, but well, just take my word for it. It is super soft. If any of you want to win the cloud case for the iPhone 13 Pro, I have two of these, so two people can win it. If you want to, follow the rules in the description box below. It also provides military-grade drop protection, which is amazing, so you can keep your phone safe. A friendly reminder to hit that like button if you haven't already, and if you'd like to win a few cases for your iPhone 13 Pro and Pro Max, definitely hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below with your Instagram handle, and you can also find the full rules in the description box below, so check that out if you're interested. I also got sent over a massive package from UAG, again not sponsored, but they sent me so much stuff. They sent me a few things from their new apparel line and a beanie and also a hoodie. They also sent me a couple things for the Apple Watch Series 7, which is coming out soon, which I'm going to be reviewing for you guys. Only a sneak peek because this will be in another video. They also sent me a ton of cases, but I don't have to worry about dropping them because they have 16 feet of drop protection, and some of them even have 20 feet of drop protection. That's like 4 times my height. They also sent me a U case, which is a sister brand of UAG, which is super pretty. Let's go ask my dog which of these cases I should put on my phone. She was napping and here we are waking her up to help us pick the case. So let's see if she picks it for us. Hey baby, can you pick a case for me? Which one you want? Pick one. This one? Okay, that one. Okay, you can get this one. That case is MagSafe compatible. Yes! You can click on and work with MagSafe. Leah, come here. Pick one. You want this one? Okay. And that one? Okay. This one has been one of my favorite cases recently. This one along with the ESR Hybrid Clear case. It is super soft to the touch and it feels so great in your hand. And the clear case of course is beautiful. You can show off your phone and the color you bought. So these two cases have been my favorites recently. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. And if you want to win cases for your own iPhone 13 Pro and Pro Max, make sure to follow the rules in the description box below. I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Apple Watch Series 7, which I'm super excited for. It is going to be released next week. And if you want to watch that video, make sure to hit that red subscribe button so you can be one of the first people to view it when it comes out. I will have my previous video where I unboxed this phone right here. You can click on it to view it, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, signing off, Lightning Girl. Bye!